trên vai gia đình ta đang nặng má trời sẽ vắng.
We're at Saigon train station. It's currently 8:40 a.m. We're catching a train to Nha Trang. And yeah, this is it. So join us for this epic rail journey. Starting at the bottom of Vietnam. Cheers. It's actually 7 hours to Nha Trang. I thought it was like 2 hours or something. Yeah, it looks like we're going to be on this train all day. Just met someone before who's going all the way to Hanoi in one go. It's 36 hours. Crazy. Just got here to Nha Trang. Awesome hotel. Look at this view. I mean, that is just awesome over the Bay of Vietnam. Nha Trang's pretty built up. Bit of a city going on, but it's cool. I'm liking it. Yeah, awesome. Welcome to Nha Trang Beach. This is like peak hour right now. Check out all those people. Don't think I'm going to be going in there anytime soon, but just wanted to show you guys the beach. Wow, so many people. Well guys, that was a great couple days in Nha Trang, but I've actually decided to catch a flight up to Hanoi, where we will go and explore the city. Alright, stay tuned for that. Cheers. Hello everybody. Just got into my hotel here in Hanoi. This is the room, and yeah, I'm really enjoying it so far. Haven't really seen much of Hanoi, but this is the view from the balcony. Very nice view. Got some pho stores down there. This is the old quarter, so there's a lot to see. Oh look, there's a pho shop just over there. Wow. Everything that you could possibly want here in the Hanoi old quarter. All of the buildings here in Vietnam are so narrow and small. I'm quite a wide guy, so yeah, I struggle to get through the doors. Anyway, here we are on the top of the hotel again, and we're gonna go walk down this way to the lake, so join me. Oh, that was a tight fit. Cool. So, just gotta turn the old aircon off. Better take my phone just for a bit of, you know, in case we get lost. Also, wallet. Always very important here in Asia. You must follow with your wallet. Hey again.
Hey, hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Great.
How are you today?
Yeah, good, thanks.
Where
Yeah.
are you going?
To the lake?
To the lake?
Yes.
It's about 5 p.m. It's still a little bit hot.
Hot? Oh, okay. Oh, it's this little lake here.
Where?
This one.
Yeah, the lake
Yes.
here. You have one?
I do in my pocket.
Okay.
Yes.
It's really near. Go to this one and the left.
Oh, in left. Okay. Maybe I go in an air-conditioned place.
Okay. Now have fun.
Thank you, Mr. Tony.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye. So we'll just go down and maybe check out this lake real quick. It's a very touristy area, as you can see. There's a lot of places around here catering to tourists. So, you know, you've got your SIM card, 4G places. You can go to Ha Long Bay, go to all these places on. But yeah, we'll go for a walk. Wow, look at this. They have whole chicken, or a whole... Yeah, no, that's a whole chicken right there. Wow. And some sort of duck or embryo egg. I know that's a specialty here in Vietnam. Quite a unique area here. Apart from the frowning tourists. I've had so many frowns from the other tourists here. I don't know why that is, but yeah, it's just the heat. I think it's the heat, you know, mixed with a camera shoved in their face. All they can do is maybe frown, but that's about it. Okay, so just gonna keep walking here to this lake. All right, now we are gonna want to hang a left. Check it out. This is district. I don't know what district it is, but it's the Old Quarter. I think it just goes by the name Old Quarter. Lots going on. Lot of fun. This is my last night in Hanoi, so just trying to take it all in. Spend most of the day in my room, to be honest with you. I've actually had food poisoning for the last 3 days, so it hasn't been too flash. But yeah, pooed out of an animal. Can I smell?
Sure you can. You can smell inside.
Oh, inside? Okay. Yeah, so this is animal poo coffee.
Yeah. The weasel will be the way.
Oh, okay. Can I smell that one?
Sure you can.
Wow, it smells so good.
It'll be the way. It smells good too.
Yeah, okay. Bit different, but still good. Wow. That's my favorite, the weasel.
Yeah.
Smells like caramel.
It's like the coffee the rice is originally from Indonesia.
Indonesia.
We import the bean, so and
Oh, yeah.
we grow it in Vietnam.
And you grow in
Vietnamese
Vietnam.
way.
In Vietnamese way. So nice. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
You know, since I was last here in Vietnam in 2017, which was about 8 years ago, it's changed a lot. In a good way, I'd say. Well, as places change, it's always good and for bad. I find that food options are slightly more limited now. I don't know if that's a bad thing or not, but things have moved off of the street and into restaurants a little bit more. Just got here to one of the oldest pagodas in Vietnam. Beautiful old brick pagoda.
Yeah.
Very ornate, quite small, but very nice. Reminds me of the Chinese pagodas that you got. There you got some prayer wheel or something like that. Says you can't wear shoes when you can't wear shorts when you come in here, so I had to cover up with something. Pretty cool spot here in Hanoi. We've got people praying here. Yeah, real cool. I'm gonna get my photography freak on now. Pretty sweet place. Offerings to the various gods that they believe in. Smells like incense, really. Quite a spiritual vibe.
Ngày xưa là người ta chủ trì tháng Bắc người ta được đi học trò thôi, đi sau đây.
So I believe this is quite an old spot, quite an old temple, old pagoda. Anyway, just earlier I went past the train cafe place where all those cafes are on the train line, and then I passed Ho Chi Minh's mausoleum, where Ho Chi Minh actually lies in a casket to be remembered forever. Wow, pretty unique detail of roosters just there. No, I don't know, sorry. Oh yeah, you want a selfie? Awesome. Don't know if he's a government official or not. Selfie time. Very cool. Yeah, thanks. Oh look, there's some new offerings just coming in here. A national monument dedicated to the independence of the Vietnamese people. So we're gonna go check out that West Lake I was talking about earlier, which is just across the road here. So we'll just mind these people and check it out. So when I was on the way to that pagoda I was showing you before, you know, we crossed a very significant historical point called the mausoleum of Ho Chi Minh. Now I didn't go there today and I won't actually make it there on this trip, but I did get a video I uploaded to my Instagram, so I'm just going to put that up right there. Hope you enjoyed that. That was my small passing visit to the mausoleum. So just keep walking here, and this is the West Lake, guys. Check it out. Real nice, eh? That is the West Lake Island, way over there. With a temple there, very, very old. There's an iconic corner just up there, but it looks like that has been demolished and they are redeveloping it for more interesting cafes and things like that. So we will we'll check that out next time we're in Ho Chi Minh. Just got here to the train station. Well, not the train station, but it's the train street where everybody comes. So we'll just keep walking here, so we can maybe try and find a cafe or something. But yeah, this is quite a unique scene. Almost tripped over there. But it just goes and goes for miles along this train track. Doesn't seem like the safest thing, but well, look at that guy smoking a bong. they do in Vietnam. They smoke tobacco out of these water pipes. Looks illegal, but it's actually perfectly legal. It is super hot right now. Probably about 34 degrees Celsius. Cool vibe, cool vibe. So yeah, we'll walk across the other side and see where we go. This is the main trunk line though. This is where big commuter trains come through. So pretty cool. So yeah, this is the Hanoi train street. Don't know why, but I've got a serious craving for some Thai food right now. Don't know why. I just really feel like some Thai food. Trying to wait for the train to send to my son. It's okay, thanks. A lot of places to eat and drink here. Watch the train go by. Hello. Hi. Yeah, okay. It's kind of expensive. It's okay. It's okay. Train come in 5 minutes? I don't really... No one else is sitting here. Yeah. Oh, look, I would. I just... So expensive. 70,000. It's okay. Thank you. I'm not giving in to scams that easily. Oh, cool.
It's cool and all, but I'm good on it.
Oh. No, it's okay, thank you. I'm pretty sure one of those tourists told me to fuck off. That's funny. Try and find a spot. Got the lads on tour across the road there. Such an exciting part of the city. There's a lot of people, a lot going on. It's generally just quite an interesting place. A lot of coffee shops. I feel like coffee shops in this old quarter outnumber the amount of banh mi, which is always a bit of a worrying sign. Also, tourists are sort of leveling out the number of locals, which is always an interesting scene. So yeah, it's cool. It's just super touristy. You know, this almost reminds me of Tamil and Kathmandu. A lot of people hooning around here. Wow, you can see just from this angle, there's a lot of people. There's a notable street just around the corner, so stay tuned for that. Wow, look at this old, this is the walking street, I think. It's like Hanoi's version of Voi Vien, or yeah, Hanoi's version of Khao San Road, maybe. I can imagine at night time this is going to be super busy. Oh my god, almost got fucking sandwiched. Look at these cool old buildings, so cool. Well guys, I hope you're enjoying this Hanoi vlog. Stay tuned for next week's edition where we will be checking out Taipei and Taiwan. There's a bit more to come in this vlog, so stay tuned for a Michelin star pho noodle. Thanks so much for watching, guys. It's currently 7:30 AM. It's in Hanoi. We're in Hanoi. Welcome to Hanoi. We just got here at 7:30 AM and we're gonna go try a Michelin starred pho restaurant here. So let's go. Check it out. Beautiful, beautiful pho 10 here. Michelin 2024. So we'll check it out. There's the chef in here. Can I have one? Just sit wherever, I think. So here we are. We just got the pho here. Very nice Michelin starred pho. Let's try the broth right now. Oh, that's so good. So good in the morning too, 7:30 AM. Wow. You can see the beef's actually cooking a little bit more, less tenderizing in the pho broth. Wow. Got some chili and some limes to put in there too. So good.